In today's video I'm going to show you how to upload a PDF file to your Google Drive. So for the first step you will need to log into your Google Drive. If you are not logged into it, then just go to Google, search for Google Drive and click on the first result. Always make sure you are logged into your account and you can see that the sign over here is showing your initial or your profile picture. So once you have done that, click on the link and then you will be redirected to this overview. And it is very simple. It's basically just one step. We need to click on the plus sign over here and add a new file, so upload files. Once you have done that, you can select the preferred and then you will edit. Now it's uploading the PDF file into your Google Drive, and you can click on show file location and now it will show the file in your Google Drive. If you want to share this file with someone, it's also very easy. Go to the three dots, click on more actions and then to share, and just copy the link to share it with people you want.